for our special Dalgona Cafe that we are going to make here. Here you can see right now, here's the fresh instant coffee. You can find it here in any of the brand and any of the in the marketplace. You can easily find this. Then sugar, of course the brown sugar and all the stuff but normally this is like a sugar refined, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee, half cup or half like this size of the glass of fresh milk you can use, almost like 2 to 3 maximum tablespoons of hot water. The water should be hot, and that's all. So I will, of course we're gonna tell you all the process that how you can make this ingredients into the final product. Here you go. Like 1 minute we have to warm water. The water should be like 2 tablespoons. So here Habibis, we got a blender, and then we're gonna mix out like the sugar and then the instant coffee. Yeah, please. So our water is right now ready. We have to put, as we told you, like 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 maximums. So is that ready? So finally we have got the mixture and extract especially of our Dalgona Cafe, and now it's the magic time. So right now we have the mixture of Dalgona Cafe. Now we're going to add here in the cup some ice, some fresh milk here as I mentioned before, this. Not at the top, but right now at this level it's okay, 80%. And now we have to put on this is the real magic, the mixture right here in our glass. Just look at this beauty, guys, just look at here. Yo habibi, wow. Of course you can have this also with fresh waffles and some mangoes right there with a date syrup. A date syrup, you can say literally. So it's my time to try this thing, man, we just made here. Wow. Let me tell you guys that this waffle is made up of protein, man. See, 100% protein. So it tastes more better and good with this Dalgona Cafe.